Okay, that's the Missouri River. We're at the Adams Nature Preserve. See the power lines over there, and that's where the pump is for McCook Lake. Corn's pretty tall right now. Okay. We're out here where the pipeline should be coming from the river. In this case, we're trying to reverse it. And it's kind of a muddy mess right here. There's been some big pieces of equipment, although we don't see any holes. This probably should be about where the pipeline is, I'd assume. I'm not sure it's been located here or not. No stakes or anything. Okay. Now watch. There's the tower. This is the reference point. You can see that the water stretches way back over there. This is where I get the motor started here. This is the southern windstone dike. This is actually the bike path going through Adams Nature Preserve. Those stakes that you see right there is where the path has been staked off. It's one big lake right now. I think it says, we can see it later. We think that's it. Yeah, we're looking at this dike and you can see the difference between the height of the water on the inside of the dike compared to the outside. Elevation difference. At least from this angle you can see it. Yeah, this is the power lines that go right through Adams Nature Preserve. They're just a little bit wet. We got a 3.3 horsepower Mariner going. Just came out of that path. Crazy. Shot at Mary's Avenue. great place to go skiing. We're down in the Okeechobee Swamp looking for alligators. We lost our airboat. Hot and steamy down here, and it stinks.
That's one thing you just don't get on film, is that beautiful smell.
Ready to wake.
We're going 3 miles an hour. Woohoo! But this is fun.
This is really, really dark. You can see the white that we just dug up there, but this is just black, and it stinks. Avenue, look at it from the other side. Oh, there's water ahead. No problem. We have an amphibious vehicle. We're down in the canal on the end of the lake, and this is the pipeline. Looks like there's a splice on the pipeline. Some water coming out of it, in fact. Look at there. Not sure where this is going. Yeah, this is the, they got a big front end loader. It's a fuel tank. They got a bobcat, backhoe, another big backhoe back up here. Looks like a generator. This is a PTO driven pump, called a gator pump. The end of this pump is shoved under the water. Just pumps up through that pipe. Now they got all sorts of fittings here, various sizes, reducers. And they do have a nice monster backhoe with caterpillar treads on it.